Going on, y'all? You're tuning into another exciting cold episode of It's Just Mario. Today is January 10th, 2011, and we are in Atlanta in a snowstorm. The city has officially shut down. The highways are blocked off. The stores are closed, and you see all the snow on the roof? It's all down there. Can you believe it? I love it. Let it snow. But right now, I'm just stuck on the patio, and it's beautiful down there. Well, I'm gonna try and get the one car that's covered. But anyway, wherever you are, I hope you. Well, no, I don't hope. We don't hope. I pray you and your family, definitely, you and your family are safe. And warm and everything, but let it snow. It's the Lord's love. You got to have heat, and you have to have snow as well. So we are having snow in Hotlanta, which is very rare. We haven't had a snowstorm like this since 1992, but it's here, and we're having fun. So I'll see you next time on It's Just Mario. Peace.